Hello everyone, my name is Morcello, WanderingTrader.com. I'm going to show you how to put the @ symbol whenever you're traveling. It's one of the most annoying things I've had to deal with because I always forget how to do it. So all you have to do is hold down the Alt key, like so, and then hit 6-4 and let go. That's it. So I'll show you again. You hit the Alt key, and then you hit 6-4, and then you let go. Easy as that. If you have a keyboard with the numbers in the letters, then make sure that you just have the number lock on, and then you'll be able to do that